So we first launch the software and then click on new project, and let's choose our project title, and then we click on OK, and then we head up to tools and we choose online search. So we'll first actually search PubMed, and we want to put our search term into quotes, and we're just going to as well kind of change the S to a star, so it will throw in kind of a wild card. Along the right side are like kind of some like hints. So if we then kind of first search on PubMed, it's now searching. It's found 15 references. We're going to click on OK, and we're going to import those. And right now we're just clicking on importing, and we have them. What we then want to do is we then want to actually search IEEE. We can use the same search term, and then we then kind of just click on search, and it then kind of actually finds close to 1,000. And then we click on OK, and the software will be pulling in all of those references. So we're at 200, 400, and while it's actually pulling in those, it then kind of actually first shows us all of the references, and then we can then kind of choose whether we actually want to import them or not. So in this case, we want to import them. So we click on import, and while it's actually importing, it's actually checking to see whether we already have the reference. So we then click on OK. And what we last kind of want to do is we just want to do a search of archive as well. So if we click on search, it's then now querying that. It's found close to 1,500 references. So we're I'm wanting them to kind of import in those. And it's just working through it. And we and then want to import in all of these as well. So it's just going through it all. And then if we click on OK, and we then at that point go return to synthesis, we then have all of them here. So if we kind of just expand the title column, and as well we can click on statistics, and then what we kind of see is we see how many how many references were imported from IEEE, and how many were from PubMed, and how many were from archive. We can kind of use the search. So if we actually kind of search health, we see that there's 24, and we can kind of hit the word cloud and see kind of what's either appearing in the titles or in the abstract, or as well we can actually hit topic clustering. That will actually basically show us kind of what are the major topics within those 24. So if we were to click on kind of one of these, we then can kind of click on download, and that then will have synthesis then retrieve the full text. Or one more thing that we could do is, in fact, we could kind of either include or exclude kind of papers. So if we kind of include a couple of these, what we then can do is we can click on download all, and and then happens then is the software will actually download all of those um, references that we have included. And then the major power with the software is in fact actually the search. So for here, we just search for health, but we could actually limit that to search for health within the title, or we could search for health within the abstract, or we could search for it within the full text. And then we can kind of as well kind of even tag these as well, and the software will actually basically highlight the kind of words as well, and then we can even kind of choose launch external viewer that then will allow us to actually basically see it in fact whatever viewer we want. So that's kind of an overview of searching.